Welcome to our video on the top 5 ways to improve your salon profitability in 2023 and beyond. As a salon owner, you know how challenging it can be to grow your business during turbulent times. However, there are strategies you can implement to help you achieve success, regardless of the circumstances. In this video, we'll share our top tips for improving your salon's profitability and setting yourself up for long-term success. But first, before we get started, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss our videos. Alright. Before we dive into our top tips, let me share a quick story with you. A few years ago, a salon owner we know was struggling to keep their business afloat. They were experiencing declining revenue and finding it difficult to attract new customers. However, after implementing some of the strategies we're about to share, they were able to turn things around and achieve record profits. By following these tips, you too can improve your salon's profitability and set yourself up for long-term success. Tip number 1. Optimize your pricing. The first tip we have for improving your salon's profitability is to optimize your pricing. It's essential to ensure that your prices are competitive, but also that they allow you to make a profit. One way to do this is to regularly review your prices and adjust them accordingly. Additionally, you may want to consider introducing different pricing structures, such as package deals or loyalty programs, to encourage repeat business. Tip number 2. Embrace technology. The second tip is to embrace technology. In today's digital age, technology can help you improve your salon's efficiency and customer experience. For instance, consider implementing an online booking system, which allows your customers to book appointments easily and at their convenience. You could also introduce a customer relationship management system, which enables you to track your customers' preferences and purchasing habits. Tip number 3. Focus on marketing. The third tip is to focus on marketing. In order to attract new customers and retain existing ones, you need to have a solid marketing strategy in place. Consider investing in digital marketing, such as social media advertising or email marketing campaigns. You could also explore partnerships with other local businesses or organizations to help raise awareness of your salon. Tip number 4. Improve customer service. The fourth tip is to improve your customer service. In the competitive world of beauty and wellness, great customer service is essential to retaining customers and building a loyal following. Make sure your staff is well trained and knowledgeable, and consider offering additional services, such as refreshments or complimentary consultations, to enhance your customers' experience. Tip number 5. Manage your costs. The fifth and final tip is to manage your costs. While increasing revenue is important, it's equally important to keep your costs under control. Take the time to review your expenses and look for areas where you can cut back. This might mean negotiating better rates with your suppliers or finding more cost-effective ways to operate your business. In conclusion, these are our top 5 tips for improving your salon's profitability in 2023 and beyond. By optimizing your pricing, embracing technology, focusing on marketing, improving customer service, and managing your costs, you can set yourself up for success and weather any storms that come your way. Remember, running a successful salon takes hard work and dedication, but with the right strategies in place, you can achieve your goals and continue growing as a business. Thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications for our channel. Bye.